See through to give them a preview. I'm stacking my paper, it's getting steeper and steeper. Them hoes he been messing with, they been looking cheaper and cheaper. I woke up on some get money type shit. None of your other bitches getting money like this.
It's official, our first merch drop at Virgin University is gonna be this Monday at 4:44 p.m. We got that cursive Virgin design so you can rep your virginity stylishly. If you wanna pull bitches, this is the design you're gonna wanna get. This Monday, 4:44 p.m. Hurry and get one because once it's gone, it's never gonna be back on the shelf. Enjoy the fucking prank.
This is Eddie.
Your Gallardo has arrived on time.
Okay, now, why would you send that car over here? That's a part of my high class collection. You're an idiot.
Sorry, sir.
Okay? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna trade it in. I'm gonna get something more high class. Okay, I'm already done with that car.
Here's what I can do.
I'm sick of it. You're fired.
Oh, but
It's not your birthday, you'll find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need. If you need to feel the buzz, I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get in there getting rough. You can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need. If you need to feel the buzz, I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get in there getting rough.
250 grand. It's chump change. How you doing?
You want me to grab the keys?
Yeah, for sure. Oh, you guys do trade-ins, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. What's up with the dog though? Is he like your security or what's going on?
No. That's his son's dog.
Cool. Let me show you what I'm trading in. If you guys can give me a good trade-in value for this, I'm willing to make a deal and, you know, make this as quick as possible because quite frankly, I really don't like, you know, being here. This place is honestly kind of quite frankly shit. So let me show you what we got. Let me show you what I'm gonna be trading in for you guys. So yeah, this car is great. You know, I've had a lot of, you know, good times with this car. It's a beautiful, it's a beaut, man. Yeah, I love it.
How many miles does it have on it?
10.
Just 10 miles.
Yeah.
Do you own anything on it?
Do I own it? No, it's paid off. Yeah.
How much are you looking to get for it?
I'd say 250.
Does it have a VIN on it?
Yeah, you just gotta open the door, so let me get the keys for it. You wanna hop in?
Sure.
Cool. The VIN is 444.
Okay, cool.
What you thinking?
$2.50 or $250?
250,000. Yeah.
$250,000 for this?
What's wrong?
Well, it's not a real car. Let me see you get in and drive.
All right. I can't, dude. We're just a YouTube channel, man. We're just pranking people.
No, it's
yeah.
cool. It's cool.
Can I ask why we're filming?
I'm
I'm the director of internet marketing, so
Porn
is this
scene.
just kind of like some kind of prank or something? That's what I'm trying to understand.
No, it's a porn scene.
Okay. Well, realistically, if you're filming on our property, I have control over where that footage is used, and unfortunately, we cannot have you using that footage.
So what makes you like so like anal about this whole thing?
Well, we're a professional business, and we sell to a lot of.
So are we.
clients.
So are
But
we. We probably make more money than you, dude.
Make more money than me? I'm sorry, man, but realistically, man, we can't have you filming on our lot. That's the first point.
People would want to see his face because he's cool. They don't want to see yours because you're a dick.
No, because I'm the marketer and I run the
Okay.
page. We have
No.
roughly $7 million worth of inventory. That's a $300,000.
Congratulations, you don't own any of it.
I don't, but I get to drive them and you didn't get to.
Okay, you get to drive them.
I understand,
Okay.
but it's real funny, sir. I cannot have you filming on my property like
All
that.
right, well,
Is that understood? Am I understood? No.
This is a
you
male
don't have to put out my face,
male
but
Karen,
I
guys.
really don't believe it.
Male Karen. So I felt like really bad being mean to that guy because that's not who we are as a channel, to be mean to people. I'm gonna call him and throw him an apology because that wasn't cool. We're virgins, we're supposed to be nice. These were the two guys with the YouTube channel. Hey man, I was just being a fucking dick. I'll take the blame for that, dude, and I'm sorry. I do apologize.
No, yeah, totally, man. Hey, you know what? No hard feelings, man.
You're a professional, dude. You're a solid guy. You kept it solid, bro. So you definitely kept a better composure than I did, and I just want to apologize and just keep doing what you're doing, man. And
I mean, it's an amazing vehicle. I completely understand that it's a great property, man. If you want to use me coming out and being a little bit of a Karen and come out and talking about it, it's completely fine. But yeah, I'm gonna see you know.
just have a good day, man. Like, you're a good guy.
You have a great rest of your day, okay?
All right, man. You too. Have a good one.
bye-bye.
Bye.